Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today we are going to review doubles and halves. Halves. What do you know by this term halves? Half means either of the two equal parts. This is one part and this is another part. So any one part, if you take, this is half of the circle, or you can say this is half of the circle. So half is either of two equal or corresponding parts. Now, let's see an example. We have some goggles. As I am placing the pictures, count how many goggles are there. Well done. There are 8. So now let's try to divide these 8 goggles into equal half. So I'm dividing them. This side we have some and this side we have some, but they seem to be equal. Let's count whether they are in the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 here. And now look at this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 this side. You can see both the sides I'm having same number of goggles. So what is half of 8? I had total 8 goggles. I divided them into half. What is half of 8? Well done. Half of 8 is 4. That is, each side we are having 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on each side. When we add 4 plus 4, then it is 8. Let's move to another example. I have few bananas. Count with me as I move on the picture. How many bananas are there totally? Well done, there are 6. Now let's try to divide these bananas into equal half. There we go. I divided them. So each side we have 3 bananas. 3 this side and 3 this side. So you can see each side we are having 3 bananas. So let's see now what is the half of 6. What is the half of 6? You have the answer. Well done. Half of 6 is 3. So we have 3 here, 3 here. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now let's have a look at another example. I have few skateboards here. So let's try dividing these skateboards into equal half. There I go. Half of these is lovely. We have separated them into equal parts. I again insist, half means dividing the objects into 2 equal parts, and any one part of The equally divided is called half. So here we have divided these skateboards into half. One to this side, one to the other side. Now have a look. This is the half of this. So what is the half of 4? Can you guess now? Lovely. Half of 4 is 2. Now let's see another example. We have 2 cars. Can you divide these 2 cars equally? Well done. We have divided this equally. So we have half of 2 is 1. We have 1 this side and 1 this side. 1 and this side 1. So you can see both the sides we are having 1 and they are equally divided. So what is half of 1 or half of 2 is? Well done, 1. Half of the 2 cars is 1. Let's move to some other examples. I have some pictures of snake. Keep counting with me as I move on the pictures. Well done. Have you counted how many snakes we have? Lovely. We have 10 snake pictures here. Let's divide them into half. I equally draw a line to divide them. So I have divided few snakes here and few snakes here. They are equally divided. Let's count how many they are. One side I have 5 snakes. Another side I have 5 snakes. You can see I have divided 5 this side and 5 this side. So this is the half of 10. We had 10 snakes and this is the half side of 10. Now let's see in number. What is half of 10 is? Well done, is 5. Can you remember which numbers you have divided now? Well done, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 10. Can you make a guess from these numbers? What are these numbers? What do you notice about them? Eight, 6, 4, 2, 10. What strikes your mind? Well done. They are even numbers. And even numbers can be equally divided. They are all even numbers if you notice. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The numbers which you see in white color are odd numbers. And whenever we divide even numbers, we get remainder 0. They are equally divided. And they are the divisible of 2's. But whereas the odd numbers, they always leave a remainder. So they are not equally divided. The white numbers or the odd numbers, and they are not equally divided. They always leave a remainder. Whereas these 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the red color numbers are even numbers and they don't leave a remainder. They are equally divided. They are called the even numbers. Well done, you recalled it. Now let's have an example of dividing the odd number. As I told you, 5 is the odd number. Let's try to divide this odd number. There are 5 balls. So I'm going to divide this. Can you see this? I have to divide the object if I have to divide the odd number. The object is divided into half. Now let's move on to doubles. What do you know about the word doubles? Double, a thing which is twice as large as usual, or is made up of two standard units or things. Like if I have one object, the doubles means it will be 2 and it is more in quantity than the one object. So double, a thing which is twice, that is 2 times as large as usual, or is made up of two standard things. Okay, now we have 8 orange pictures here. Let's try to double this. Here you have the number line. Okay, so let's try to double this. There are 8 oranges. So my 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're going to double it, 1, 2, 7, 8. So I have 8 oranges. Yeah. Now let's start doing the doubles. There we go. Okay. So here I'm just running short of one picture. So I'm just going to draw it with my pen. Bear with the inconvenience. Okay. So I have one more orange here. Now we had 8 oranges here, and when I double this, I got 8 more. Yeah, the number became big. So now let's count how many are there totally. Okay, when I doubled it, let's count how many are there totally. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now they became 16. First I had 8. So when I double this, they became 16. Okay, they became 16. And now look at this example. I have 3 books. Let's double this number of books. I told you when you double, the same objects becomes larger in quantity. So first I had 3 books. Let me mark 3 on my number line first. 1, 2, 3. Now let's double this. Now we have 3 plus 3. How much? 4, 5 and 6. So when we double, 3 becomes 6. Now look at this example. We have how many burgers here? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I double this, I got again the same number of burgers extra. Yeah, I got the same number of burgers extra. You will double means you will get the same number in double 2 times. The same number 2 times. So here we had 6. When I double this, I got one more batch of 6 burgers. Yeah? So let's count how many are there totally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's mark on our number line. We had already 6 and now we added 6 more to this batch. So how much there are? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we had 6 plus 6. We end up at 12. We have 12 burgers now. Now pay attention to this picture. This is the picture of mouth. So there are how many pictures? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 mouth pictures. Now let's double it. Double means you're going to get one more extra batch of what you have. Yeah? So let us try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is what we have now. Yeah, I'm going to double this. There I go. So I got one more, the same number of. That is, here we had 9 and now we have 9 here. So what is 9 and 9? We have 9 plus 9 is, well done, 18. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Now, let's try this out. What is 4 plus 4? I want you to start adding very fast with me mentally. Well done. 4 plus 4 is 8. What is 7 plus 7? Well done. 14. What is 10 plus 10? Excellent. 20. 2 plus 2? Very good. 4. 5 plus 5? Well done. 10. What is 9 plus 9? 18. Well done. What is 1 plus 1? This is very easy. Well done. 2. How about 6 plus 6? Excellent. It's 12. What is 3 plus 3? Well done. 6. How about 8 plus 8? 16. Excellent. There you are. You have got all your answers right. And now, so 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 10 plus 10 is 20. So if you notice these numbers, they are all the multiples of 2. That is 2 tables which you learnt already. Yeah, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So this is nothing but 2 tables. Whenever you want to see the doubles, there is also a fastest tricky way, right? That is just using your 2 tables. That is, if there are 4 objects, when you want to double those 4 objects, for example, say what is 2 fours are? 8. If you have 10 objects, if you want to double those 10 objects, just say what is 2 times 10? 20. If it is 5, 2 times 5, 10. If it is 6, 2 times 6, 12. So these are nothing but 2 tables, 2 times tables. If you by heart these tables, then your job is going to become much easier. Okay? So this is doubles of 1. When you double the number 1, you get 2. What is the doubles of 2? Well done. 2 plus 2 is 4. Doubles of 3, doubles of 4, doubles of 5. You can see this is just 2 tables. Doubles of 6 is 12. Doubles of 7, well done, 14. Doubles of 8, 16. Doubles of 9, 18. That is 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Well done. So, what happens if you try to have an odd number? You can, as I told you, you can easily divide an even number equally. But how about an odd number? Let's try dividing an odd number. Here we have some odd numbers in black color, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And we have some even numbers in red color, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now I take 5 for example to show you how we can divide this 5. And is there any possibility to divide this into equal halves? Let's check. So this is the number 5. Let me bring 5 numbers of objects here. So 4 and finally 5. Now I have 5 balls. First, let me try to divide them equally vertically. Okay? I tried to divide them. So I got 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3, and 2 on this side. So I could not able to divide them equally. If I have to divide, then I have to cut the object. But I prefer to divide them without cutting the object, so I can't able to divide them equally. So 3 this side and 2 that side. Now, I'm trying to divide them horizontally. Look at this. Still I can't able to divide them. We have 2 here and we have 3 here. Still, it's not divided equally. So we have more on one side and less on other side. We have not divided them equally, right? 1, 2 on one side, 1, 2, 3 on the other side. So it's really difficult to divide the odd numbers without remainders. Okay, I hope you understood this concept well. Thanks for being with me. Catch you up later, children. Bye and stay safe.